Alrighty everybody, it's Michael Lauder here with CarpetExpertBlueprint.com, and in this video, covering some more Q&A that came in, how to stretch carpet with a seam in the room. So there's a number of different ways we can go about this, but let's keep it real standard just so everybody can relate to it. So we are going to start off with the typical bedroom here. And go across, down. Alright, here's our doorway. We're gonna throw a closet in here. And then we're gonna say the seam is gonna be down this wall right here. So you drop the carpet in, you're DIY type. You drop the carpet in, you put your seam in over here. Everything's seamed up and ready to rock. You wanna know how to stretch this in properly without messing anything up. So, for all you haters out there, we're gonna make this hardwood in the hallway. Now what? Alright, so we've got a hard surface out here too, because I'm going to do it a totally different way than the traditional fashion of stretching there. And I know those hardcore carpet guys that are broken angry would love to comment on that. But anyway, we have a hardwood hallway, we have a carpeted bedroom, we have a seam down the wall. So what I would do first is I would set the closet. So go ahead and tap that on with your kicker, crease it on, get it trimmed and tucked. You can bump on the sides as well, just get all that locked on right there. Now I want you to kick directly across from the closet. Get it nice and tight so you're good to go. Now we have our seam right here. You do not want to put hard kicks, hard stretches along your seam because it can tear them, especially if it's within, 10 inches of the wall. Like a lot of these standard bedrooms, sometimes they are just 12 feet 10 inches, 13 feet 2 inches. If they're that close, you don't want to do hard stretches because you can rip the seam. So we set the closet. We're going to stretch hard away from the closet. Next, you could basically just crease this wall onto the tack strip, trim and tuck it. I want you to come over here and start blasting hard this way. You're going to get a good stretch across the room. Once you come across from what you set here, tap all this on. And then I want you to come through and finish blasting on the last half of the room. So in a nutshell, this scribbly nightmare here is exactly how you would stretch on a bedroom with a seam. Now there's tons of different scenarios, and I'll be sure to cover this on site, but the question came in. I don't have that particular scenario on my job site today, so I figured I would just draw this up, shoot a video for you. So for more tips and tricks about the carpet and flooring industry, please comment below. I'll create a video answering the question for you, and be sure to drop by CarpetExpertBlueprint.com where we have the DIY toolkit giveaway every single week. All you have to do is tap the subscribe button, go over to CarpetExpertBlueprint.com, and every week we pick a random subscriber and send them something cool. So thank you so much for tuning in. I'll catch you on the next video.